Hello guys, in this video I would love to share or like to share on how to use Zoom because other teachers are confused because other teachers are using Zoom to to teach online. So you just need to log in and then you can see here share your screen. Yeah, you can click on that. Then you will be able to share the screen. And then also there is also a chat box here. So you can type anything on that you want to type if the student made a mistake. And what else? You can start sharing your video as well. Click on that. See, you can see me. So using Zoom is very easy. All right. You can also record your class. So you can click on this one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, teachers. I hope this will be helpful for you. All right, thank you. Goodbye.